Hey guys,
It's Autopop channel. I'm Keenan.
and I'm Nina, and today,
We're gonna make 3 DIYs using tennis balls for dogs.
yay! Need
A tennis ball
a dog treat.
and a sharp knife.
Cut a line over the tennis ball, just a small line. Don't need to be really big.
Make sure it looks like this.
And it fits your treat.
Then you're gonna put the dog treat inside. Need
A tennis ball,
some rope,
scissors, or a knife.
First, you need to cut 2 holes opposite from each other.
Make sure it fits your rope. Use the scissors to poke both ends of your rope inside the tennis ball. Make sure it looks like this.
Next, make a knot like this.
This one.
You will need
A tennis ball.
your dog bowl.
All you have to do is insert the tennis ball in the dog bowl, and you just add your dog's food. And if your dog is a fast eater, the tennis ball will help slow it down as it moves around as your dog moves it with. Thanks for watching,
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
and see you all in the next video. Bye
Bye.